Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the reactivity of metals with acid. So activity 3.11 is given. This activity asks us to react to various metals with dilute acid and also notice the temperature of that reaction. So when metal reacts with acid, the corresponding salt of that metal is formed and hydrogen gas is liberated. We have discussed uh, a series of metals according to their reactivity. Okay, the series is potassium, sodium, calcium, then magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, nascent hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold, and platinum. Okay, this is the series. At the top, these are the highly reactive metals. After that, these are the moderate reactive metals. Then at the last, least reactive metals are there. Okay, whenever metal reacts with acid, okay, dilute acid, the corresponding salt is formed. Here we have taken example of HCl. It means when a metal reacts with dilute HCl, okay, the metal chloride will be formed and hydrogen gas will be liberated. From here, uh, you can check the reactivity of different metals. For example, we have taken metals calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, lead, iron, lead, and copper. Okay, uh, so you can see from this series that the order of decreasing reactivity is this one. Calcium is uh, more reactive and copper is the least reactive. When calcium reacts with HCl, calcium chloride will be formed and hydrogen gas will be released. This is the reaction. This will be the same for the other metals also. Next step is to notice the temperature. Okay, the beaker in which you are taking the metal and the acid, you will suspend the thermometer in that. Okay, and we will check the uh, temperature, whether it is going to increase or decrease. Okay, this experiment is done at the room temperature. Okay, the experimental reading for this experiment is calcium. Okay, for the calcium, temperature of that beaker will be rise to 40 degrees Celsius. Of zinc, it will be 34 degrees Celsius, iron 30 degrees Celsius, and copper is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, uh, this experiment is done at room temperature. It means the temperature is, it is approx 25 to 28 degrees Celsius. Okay, so you can see that the temperature is going to increase in this reaction. It means this reaction is exothermic reaction. This reaction is exothermic reaction. uh, One more point. What will happen when these metals will react with nitric acid? Actually, nitric acid is strong oxidizing agent. So what will happen in this reaction? That hydrogen gas which is liberating, okay, that will change to water. It means nitric acid will oxidize hydrogen gas to water, and itself it will reduce to oxides of nitrogen. It means different oxides of nitrogen will be formed. Okay, so with nitric acid, okay, hydrogen will convert to water. So no hydrogen gas is involved, is evolved in this case when metal reacts with HNO3, because that is directly converted to the water. One more point is, what is acheresia? Acheresia is the combination of HCl and HNO3, that is of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. In acheresia, HCl and HNO3, that is hydrochloric acid and nitric acid, are present in 3:1. This solvent can dissolve even gold. This solvent can even dissolve gold. So it was all about the reactivity of metal with acids. Thank you and have a nice day.